What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and hopefully the wind's not blowing you out too much. But again, 'tis the season here in Colorado Springs. Behind me we've got a 2020 Ram 1500 with the EcoDiesel that we sent up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit. We ran some 22 by 12 wheels and 33 1250 tires. Let's check this thing out. All right guys, as I said, this is a 2020 Ram with the old EcoDiesel, as you can see up there. We went with these awesome Tuff A.T wheels. They're pretty deep concave with the milling in there. Those are a 22 by 12. And then we went with the 33 1250 20. So as you can see, there's very little sidewall on here, but you get a pretty straight up and down sidewall profile without going full stretch look. Sits nice and level. I've got it kind of backed up towards the curb, so you're probably seeing a little bit of Cali squat, given that we need drainage around here apparently. This went up on the rough country 3.5 inch kit, so this does not change the knuckle. It does change the upper control arm. You get a coil spacer up front. You get an inch spacer in the rear for the coils out back. Can't really see in there, but went with the N3 shocks. This thing rides like an absolute dream. Stock, if not better than stock. You can see, look at that stance. You're at least about 1.5 inches outside the fenders there. We did have to do a little bit of trimming, minor plastic trimming, bring this inside fender liner up. Both the front and the rear. We did squeeze a 33 underneath here, but usually you can do that on a leveling kit. I mean, given that we went really wide and outside with this deep negative offset, you're gonna need to do a little bit of trimming to take care of all of that. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, share with all your friends, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys soon.